Here's a question from the Target packet, number 14. A carpet company came out to your house and said that the area of your family room is 14 feet by 16 feet, would cost $400 to replace the carpet. You thought about carpeting a room in your basement too that was 30 by 28 feet. How much would it cost to carpet the basement? Now we're going to do this assuming that the cost per square foot will be the same. So I'm going to start off by finding the square feet of the family room upstairs. To do that, I'm going to take 14 times 16, and that's going to give me 224. Then I'm going to find the area of the room in the basement, which is 30 times 28, which is going to be 840. Now, these are the two areas, so that's the ratio of the areas. What I want to do is reduce that ratio. So take my area ratio of 224 over 840 and reduce that ratio. That reduces to 4 over 15. Now, I'm going to set up a proportion. I'm going to use my area ratio of 4 over 15 and set that equal to the cost of the carpet for the upstairs over the cost of the carpet for the downstairs. When we cross multiply, I get 4x is equal to 6,000. If I divide by 4, I get that x is equal to 1,500. So it would cost $1,500.